Hello.
Hello.
We are Charlie's Angels.
Yeah.
No.
No. I'm Natalie.
I'm Ashlee. Okay, so yesterday we got this request from a guy asking us to find random stuff and try and see if we can make ourselves sneeze. And we thought it was a pretty good idea, so we're gonna do this.
I think it's pretty funny.
I think it's funny too. I doubt it's gonna work because the only things that really make me sneeze. Actually, really nothing makes me sneeze. You know, I just sneeze. So we'll try it anyway. So
Okay.
Natalie first. No, you have to sit still. Okay, just hold still. I'm just gonna rub it on your nose. You sneeze.
No.
I just tickled your nose. Okay, your turn.
What is it? Oh, blanket. No.
This may take a while, folks. Let's see. Nope, didn't work. Okay, I got another one. My phone. There we go. I think it'll work. Your turn. That just tickled my nose. Let's see. My remote.
Tickle.
My iPod Touch was
Hi,
already
you're a
not.
zebra.
Didn't work. Oh. Yeah. It just tickles. There we go, I got one. This may not make you sneeze, but it'll make you, Yeah. You know, I wear these all the time and they do not stink.
Hey, your teddy bear.
This teddy bear smells like chocolate.
It does.
It just smells head.
It smells like Hershey's.
I know, which is chocolate, dumb one.
Okay.
The Sims game box. Almost worked.
That felt weird.
Oh, wait.
Oh, what about my phone?
Here we go. Wait. It almost worked. So I gotta do it again. Come on. Oh, it almost worked. It's being difficult. Wait,
My
hold
phone.
on. I got a text message. We shall read it.
Yes, what's to say? You guys know that you might have to talk about topics you listed. People don't like to think very much.
What topics did we list?
I don't know, advice, world hunger, like all that.
You guys know that you might have to talk about the topics you listed. We have no topics. We asked you. Wait. Oh, I get it now.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
come on, people. I mean, you have to let us know why you want to talk about something. I mean, we can make up everything on our own.
Yeah, we're lazy. We can't
We're
think of everything.
blondes. You can't trust blondes to do anything right.
Yeah, see, I'm more blonde than her.
No, my hair's blonder.
On the inside.
No, my hair's blonde on the outside, too.
Oh my god.
I thought the school, everybody knows me as Blondie. That's my name for everything. Blondie. Softball, student government. My friends call me Blondie. My friend Jordan says I am the blondest person she knows.
She's my blonde twin.
She's my blonde twin. Oh, that's my mom.
Is that flower?
Yeah, that's flower.
Okay.
We gotta be quiet. My mama don't know that we have these videos.
Try not to laugh too loud.
Yeah? You girls want a drink or going downstairs to get a drink? No, I think we're good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're good.
I'll bring a Pepsi or something.
Nah, we'll go down there.
Okay.
Let's be careful with the dogs.
Well, okay, they're gonna go up that night. She want a drink?
Yeah, we're fine.
Okay.
That was close.
Yeah, that was close.
I'm surprised she didn't ask.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no, what?
My hair.
What about your hair?
It looks weird like that.
My hair
No,
looks,
it looks
sexy
good.
all the time. Just kidding, no, it doesn't. My hair looks like crap most of the time. Today, it just, it's okay. My hair's been better. I got my awesome eyeliner out again. Ow.
See, I got the flippy hair.
I don't know. You guys really need to give us topics to talk about. I mean, seriously, we'll talk about not anything, but let's talk about some fun stuff. Like, I mean, you know what? We should start an advice column. When we start getting like enough questions and stuff to ask about, we'll start making an advice column.
So everybody, comment down there
and ask for advice.
Or comment on our channel.
Please. We'll love you forever if you do.
We already do though.
Oh. Well, maybe you do, but it's not about me. Don't give me the look. Okay, I can see you making the look without even looking at you because I just know you make the look.
I know.
That's the same look she makes every time I talk about Nate. Here we go.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't care. She's just jealous. My boyfriend is awesome.
And he's cute too. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's gonna love that.
Oh my god. God. I can't believe I just said
People
that.
on YouTube, you just heard Natalie say that my boyfriend is cute.
Oh well, he already heard. What did he say?
He already knows that. Oh wait, what do you say?
Are you guys in a video?
Yes. Yeah, so Nate, when you watch this, people we're talking to is you. So, yeah. You know, honestly, Nate really don't care. We talk about it all the time. He's like, what if Natalie tried to go after me? And I'd be like,
I wouldn't.
Yeah, I know you wouldn't. But I'm just like, if she ever did, I'd be like, okay, I really don't care. Because I know Nate would never leave me. I'm just kidding. I'm not fooling myself like that. I'm not fooling myself. I was just being sarcastic. I'm not fooling myself, I promise.
Alicia.
Well, I think we should, stop this video. It's already 7 minutes long. And it's just us rambling on about stupid stuff.
Yeah.
Which is basically what everything is.
Hopefully Nate won't watch the full
He will.
thing.
He will. I'll make him.
Okay, guys. So comment and subscribe and all that. Alright. Love you.
Bye.